Hi friends, welcome to Madhu's Creative Hub. Today we are continuing the series of paper crafts, and today we are going to make crab and a man using handprints. Firstly, you can take any color paper of your choice and some sketch pen, pencil, scissors and some glue. So let's get started. First we'll make the crab. I'm going to take a red sheet and fold it into half. Then take the handprint, that is trace the hand using pencil. You can do this with your kids and they will not be glued to mobile phones anymore. They'll start doing some crafts and you can spend some quality time with them. So like this I am cutting it out. So this becomes the body of the crab. So it comes out as a two-hand cutout as we had folded in the middle. Now I am going to draw hand shape and cut from the same red sheet, just using the leftover sheet. This comes as a bundle of 100 for around 200 rupees, that is 2 rupees per piece or 1 rupee per piece based on how many you buy. So now I have also cut out black and white circles that will act as eyes. You can also use big googly eyes as well, making him smile, so I added a smile as well. That's it. It looks so cute, right? Now we'll make this man. For that I did the same process and cut out one single hand piece and cut out one round piece as well as one piece which can act like a hat. You can make any hat. Like the other one I have made a triangle, so this one is like a clown. So I'm just adding the features using sketch pen and just highlighting it, coloring it with sketch pen. That's it. So cute, right? So quick it was. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our channel.